I have all my values here. And so what I want to do now is I'm going to go ahead and put these inside of my calculator. Because notice if step one was to write the ordered pairs, and we did write a lot. I hope you noticed that, right? I did all of them. Notice I didn't just pick one. So one thing I do want to make clear here, however many points you have on here, put every single point. Don't try to shortcut it and just put 2 points because your answer is going to be pretty far off. If you put all the points and you approximate the values to integers, it'll come out okay. So step 2 says we're going to go to Spreadsheet and enter all the points we have. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, to get to Spreadsheet, if you forgot, you're going to go back home, go down to the bottom and over to the green one that says Add List in Spreadsheet, hit Enter. Now, if you're like mine and you have 3 different spreadsheets open, I recommend that you go ahead and hit that little X at the top right, pick that you don't want to save it, and let it clear it out. Just because I've had a lot of issues when I don't clear it out. So now that we've done that, we're going to change the A to X, and we're going to change our B to Y. Now I'm going to put in all my X values that I had. Now notice I wrote mine vertically just like a table because I knew I was going to be putting them in here. And when I put them in here, it's just easier for me to do it that way. So all my X's were red. So we had 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8 for my X values. And then the Y values that lined up with it, when X was 1, Y was 26. And when X was 2, the Y was 29. And when X was 4, the Y was 33. When X was 6, Y was 39. When X was 7, Y was 46. And that last one, when X was 8, it was also around 46. Now I am going to exit out of this last box, so I pull away from my data. If you don't exit out of that last box, it will leave that point off, and that may make a difference in your answer. I'm now going to hit home. I'm going to come over here to Data and Statistics, the purple one. I'm going to hit OK. I want to change this horizontal axis on the bottom to X, and I want to change the vertical one that's right here to Y. Now what you're going to see is this looks roughly like what we have in our picture. So you can go ahead and compare the picture. Look at your notes real quick and say, well, this image kind of looked like what I have there. And I'll think that you agree that it does. So now that I have it, what I want to do next is I want to go ahead and go to Menu. Then I'll go to Analyze, click to the right, go to Regression, and show linear mx plus b. So I'm going to hit Enter. Now notice it gives me a pretty good equation here. Y equals 3x plus 22.5.